Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So tax season is officially here and you're probably already getting your 1099 forms in the mail just like I've been getting here. And that means it's time to start thinking about filing our 2025 taxes in the most efficient and cost-effective way possible. There's many options out there, but if you're planning on going with TurboTax this year, I'm gonna go over my favorite TurboTax deals at the moment. Both for those of you that are new customers and returning customers. Actually, the offers will differ a little bit. And then how you can actually take advantage of a stackable deal that's currently being offered by Bank of America as well, so you can double some of these savings. Of course, all the links to these deals can be found in the video description below. Let's get started. So first I'm going to cover my favorite TurboTax deal at the moment, and it's a complete freebie. If you can qualify, you should really try to take advantage of this deal. So if you've never used TurboTax before, or at least you didn't use it to file your taxes last year, this is really the best offer by far. So for a limited time, you can actually file your taxes completely for free, regardless of how simple or complex your tax situation is. Of course, with any kind of freebie offer, there's going to be a few strings attached, but it's not really that bad. The only catch is one, you have to be a new TurboTax user, and two, you have to file through the TurboTax mobile app. So you can't do it through your laptop, which it's usually a lot easier doing it through your laptop, but they want you to try out their mobile app. And three, you have to submit your form by February 18th, 2025 in order to qualify. There's a hard deadline at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time on February 18th, so really don't wait till the last minute if you're going to take advantage of this offer. All the details are on the site here. It's really nothing more than that in terms of some of the exclusions, but you can check out all the FAQs here. The link again is going to be in the video description below. Just keep in mind that if you start in the app and switch over to the web browser later, you're actually going to get a reminder that you're not going to be able to claim the offer if you continue. So otherwise, if you want to do that, then the regular pricing applies, but really this is something worth checking out. Hopefully you can take advantage of this offer. If you try to sign up and don't qualify, TurboTax will suggest logging out and signing back in with the credentials you used last year. So it's always worth a try, but they know pretty well if you filed with them last year or not. Of course, don't get this deal confused with TurboTax's free edition that's available year-round. So the free edition, let me just pull up the FAQs here. So the free edition covers only simple tax returns, so specifically Form 1040 with no extra schedules. So unless you're claiming earned income tax credit, child tax credit, or student loan interest deduction, then you can't really use TurboTax's free edition. Supposedly about 37% of taxpayers qualify for that version. So if that's you, then you can procrastinate with filing your taxes if you want to use TurboTax's free version. Now, if you're like me and you've been using TurboTax for a number of years and you probably won't be switching over, you'll be able to apply an instant coupon for an extra 10% off. We have that listed here on the site. Unlike other stores that require you to enter a service code or a special offer code, you don't have to do that here with TurboTax. All the deals are applied when you click the link. So here you go. We get through the link and the extra 10% off will be applied as soon as you get started here. One thing also that's great with this deal is that it's on top of an early season deal for some of these live versions. So you can actually pick up live assisted for much more than the 10% off right now if you get started a little bit early. It's just important to note that this discount only applies to federal tax products, so it won't work on state filings or other add-ons if you need it. So this coupon can actually be stacked with an exclusive offer that's available right now for Bank of America customers as well. So if you have a Bank of America credit or debit card, you should be able to get $20 cash back when you purchase TurboTax products using your card after you apply the offer to your account. So this is pretty simple to get going here. So all you have to do is one is activate the offer. So log into your Bank of America account, and it should look something like this. If you're doing it from your mobile phone, there's going to be a section called Bank Ameri Deals. And here you're going to see a lot of offers from different companies. So there's a Best Buy offer and a Home Depot offer and a whole bunch of others. But among this list, you should be able to see TurboTax deal as well. You actually have to click the plus sign to activate it to your account. And then as soon as it's activated, there's going to be a little green check mark. And this year, they're giving you $20 cash back as long as you pay with your credit card or debit card that's tied to this account. You should be able to pick up the deal as long as you spend more than $39 on your TurboTax purchase. So that should be pretty easy because most of us spend more than that. And then once you file your return using TurboTax, as long as you've met all the requirements, you'll get that $20 credited back to your account within 30 days or by your next billing cycle. So just remember to check your account to make sure the offer is available to you before making your purchase. If you're not a Bank of America customer, then don't worry. TurboTax does have partnerships in place with many large banks, associations, and credit unions that provide exclusive savings to qualifying customers. So we've seen deals offered by AAA, Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab, US Bank, and more, just to name a few. Large credit unions such as Boeing Employees Credit Union, that's BECU, Navy Federal Credit Union, NFCU, ViStar Credit Union, Global Credit Union, Pentagon Federal Credit Union, so PenFed, State Employees Credit Union, SECU, and a number of others also have the partnerships in place with TurboTax. Just look out for the TurboTax link under the deals and or partnership section in your online banking and credit union portal. These deals will vary by financial institution and they are member only. So it's a good idea to log into your account and check to see if any offers are available to you. So there you have it. Just a quick overview of my favorite TurboTax discounts and promotions available at the moment for the 2025 tax season. So whether any of these deals are worth it, it really depends on your specific tax situation, filing preferences. If you're a new user, filing early or eligible for a special discount, you might be able to save a decent amount of money, especially if you're not waiting until the last minute. And remember, all these deals are subject to change and or end early. They might be gone if you're filing your tax returns on April 15th or right up against the deadline. I hope this video helped clarify some of your options. If you found this information useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you happen to run across any better deals that we haven't seen here on TurboTax. It would be great if you could share it with the rest of us. Thanks for watching and good luck this tax season.